Guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a minute since I did a grocery haul, and I typically haven't been doing them except for my keto channel, but I've been kind of doing keto over my real channel now. My other channel. So I did a grocery shopping haul today, and I thought I would show you what my keto haul was, and then tomorrow I'm going to come out and show you how I'm going to prep for the week. So let me just, in no particular order, let me start with the cold stuff so I can get it in the freezer. So I bought a bag of cauliflower. And I usually use my cauliflower, like the whole cauliflower right there, to make cauliflower mash with. I bought some sharp cheddar cheese. And the cauliflower was $1 a bag. Cheese was $1.48. I bought some ground beef. This is 85.15, and it was $3.84. And then I bought some chicken livers. Not for everybody, but I love chicken livers. A good southern dish. And now how I fix my chicken livers is, I'm not sure if I said this or not on one of my keto videos, but I bread them in pork rinds, which I bought, and a little bit of coconut flour. So the chicken livers were $1.88, and the big huge bag of pork rinds were $1.78. Then I bought some Johnsonville butter with cheddar smoked sausage. And it was, I want to say $3.98. Bought bacon. It was $3.20 something. Then I bought some boneless pork chops for $3.90. And then I bought some cube steaks, which I love. These are pork loin cube steaks. But they look like beef to me, so I think they may have put a wrong label on it. I'm not sure. But anyway, they were $4.26. I got to check that out. But it looks like, I think they mislabeled it, because this is definitely beef. Okay, then I bought some green onions for a recipe one night. I bought a couple little yellow squash. I bought a bag of salad mix and a bag of cabbage. I already chopped up. Just convenient. I bought some baby portobello mushrooms. And then I bought a bag of original pork sausage patties to eat for breakfast. And then for lunch, I like to do roll-ups, and I bought some roast beef from the deli and some provolone cheese from the deli. And then, what else did I get? Oh, and then I get one of these every time I go. It's called Suja Immunity, and it's kind of like kombucha, but it's not a kombucha. It's elderberry with probiotics, and it's got all kinds of organic stuff in it. It's only 3 carbs, but I drink one of these once a week. Then I picked up a bag of Swerve erythritol and prebiotic blend. This is confection sugar. I picked up a bag of Whisk. Whoops. These are like little Parmesan cheese crackers. And I picked up a bag of Lily's milk chocolate baking chips. These are the ones that have 8 carbs, 4 grams of fiber, and 3 grams of erythritol. So they only have like 1 carb for 26 chips. And then I picked up some beef broth. I got the unsalted kind because that was the only kind they had. And then I found my ketchup. It was finally back in stock. It's my sugar-free ketchup. It's by G. Hughes. I love this stuff. I love their barbecue sauces. They have other sauces. I didn't get any today because I don't plan on using any of it for any reason. But they have like, now they have sweet chili sauce. And they have honey mustard and 2 different kinds of barbecue sauce. So it's really, really good. I picked up a pack of Pasta Zero, the spaghetti kind. This is the kind that is made from shiitake noodles. The kind that I really like a lot, the skinny pasta, for whatever reason, is not being made now, or it's just out. I haven't been able to find it anywhere. And then I picked up some chunk-like tuna. I picked up a big package and a little package. The little package is going on for, I'm going to be making a niçoise salad with tuna. And then this is to make tuna salad out of. So that is my little keto grocery haul. Like I said, tomorrow I'll be doing a video and showing you how I do my prep. And that will be coming out probably on Friday. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And I will catch all of you up tomorrow with a little video. And let you know what's been going on this week and why I really haven't been on that much. Except for pre-recorded things. Alright guys, have a wonderful weekend. See you later. Bye.